Hi guys, welcome to our community Codeco. In this section we are going to see about for keyword in Python. For is used for looping. Generally we use for when we know the number of times we want to loop. In Python we can use it with any type of sequences like a list or a string. So here I have given a small example with both strings and a number, okay. So here given a variable, what's the variable names. So I had created a list and I assigned to that variable, right. So here I had created a list with three strings, right, with three strings. What's the strings names? John, Stephen, Robin, and had assigned to a variable names. So for I in names, so I we use for iterations, okay. So here for is the keyword and in is the keyword. Okay, for is keyword and in is another keyword here, okay. So for I in names, in the sense for John in names, for Stephen in names, for Robin in names. So here I represents the iteration inside the list, okay. It will start from John and it will end with Robin, okay. So print what I have given, print hello plus I. So what is going to be printed here? First it will go through John, right? So it will print hello John, and again it will go to Stephen, hello Stephen, and again it will go through Robin, hello Robin. It will just here for loop will work only three times. Why? Had given only three strings inside the list, right? If I had given 100 strings inside the list, then it will print 100 times with different strings, right? This I is used for iterations. Here in we will check whether I names or not. So here John is there in names, right? I in the sense just we will use for iterations, okay. And if I in names means if the value is there inside the list or inside the name variable, it will work, okay. So we will see whether it's printing as I said or not, okay. See, hello John, hello Stephen, hello Robin, okay. So we have seen with string, right? Now we will see with giving some number. So I want just iterate two times. So just I want to print hi for two times. In that case I will use for loop, but with a range. What I had done here, I want to print with these names. So I had created a list and I assigned to names and I had given names. Here I want to print hi for two times. So I had used a range here, range of 2. So this for loop will work for two times. So it will print hi for two times. So it will print hi and hi. We will see whether it's working correct or not, okay. See, I am running the program. See, hi, hi. If I give 100 here, then definitely it will print 100 times. So how many times we want to print or we want to go through the statement, then we will give the range here, okay. So if I give 1 comma 10, how it's going to be work? See, it had printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? Please remember that for loop will work until n minus 1 times, okay. N minus 1. So what's 10 minus 1? 9. So it had printed 9 times here, okay. So we can use the range or we can use the number, exact number, if you know how many times your for loop want to work, okay. This is all about for loop. I think you understand about for loop and how to use for loop. That's it for the section, guys. We will meet in another section.